Hey, it's Joe, and this is my next project. Check it out. I just got the back part of a '63 Split Widow Vette. I'm going to use it for wall art. I just read Smokey Yunick's biography, and most of his cars were gold, black, number 13. And we're going to make this thing look like one of his projects. If you want to know where I got it and how much it was, you got to watch the short version. Well, this is a problem. And the problem is the computer has no soul. The letters are perfect, it says what you want to say, but it doesn't say what I want to say in 1963 hand-lettered font. It says it in today's computer size. It's unacceptable. What about this? That's done with a computer. Let's just say I don't hate it as much. It does have a kind of a barbecue joint kind of a font. I ordered some one-shot so I can hand letter in the stencil, and it's not cheating. It's it's a matter of opinion. I got a new sign done. Let's do it like this. And this has no soul also, but is it a little more soul than the other one? I don't know. I don't have an answer for this. I just have questions. And the question is, does computer have soul? Does it have ability? Of course it has ability. Got the ability to do it in Chinese. Beach. So what is it? Are the sign painters coming back, or are we stuck with all this machine done stuff forever? It's pretty good for a men's room or a next exit. I don't know if it's good for everything. Isn't there room for somebody to hand do something like that? What do you think? Right there. Smokey. Where was something else? In his NASCAR, way back when they really regulated how much fuel you could carry in the car. But way back then they ran regular gas tanks, regular old metal gas tanks. And the first pit stop, you'd have a guy run out there with an air hose and blow it up with about 120 pounds and swell it up. And then on the last pit stop, he gets them to run out there with a jack and jack it up underneath where it gets back where it only holds less than 22 gallons. They had to tell him he couldn't do that. Yeah, wild party animal. Him and Curtis Turner. New party starting every 15 minutes. Curtis Turner landed a twin-engine airplane on Main Street of a one red light town, stopped in front of a guy's house. This is on a Sunday, ran in, got a case of whiskey, came back out and took off. But he also was one of the main guys that got Charlotte Motor Speedway up and going. That was kind of his dream, and he never made it to the end. They kind of took it away from him. He didn't have enough money. He was a big timber salesman. He'd buy big tracts of timber and sell them, but anyway, he would land that twin-engine airplane at night on the front straightaway at Charlotte, taxi around where he could show his girlfriends, and then take back off. And he eventually died in the airplane, crashed, probably doing some stupid crap. But anyway, interesting read. His biography is really good.
Smokey doesn't hold back on anybody. He tells about everybody and what everybody did except the women. He doesn't tell on the women.
Looks good. Off to the next project. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as we enjoyed making it. If you did, tell your friends and subscribe. It's important.